Hey guys, welcome back to RSCARPREMIUM. So we have got a grand Vitara to get it upgraded with a 3-way audio setup. Let me show you what all accessories which are going to do the 3-way setup. So first what we are going to do over here is, we are going to use Alpine R2 with a 3-way setup. Then we are going to use R2 Coaxial which is of S65. Then we are using a 4-channel amp. And along with that we are going to use a DSP with 6-channel DSP and a JL audio subwoofer. So we are going to customize the A pillar and let's look once it is done. Guys, finally we have done a 3-way setup. Let's ask customer how he felt. Sir, எப்படி இருந்துச்சு sir?
Super. Fantastic இருந்துச்சு.
Sir, any improvement?
நம்ம நினைச்ச மாதிரி வந்து டைட்டப் அதான் சூப்பர்.
சரி சார்.
பிஸியா இருக்குது.
ப்ளீஸ் ரெஃபர் பண்ணுங்க. எது இருந்துச்சுனாலும் அத மாதிரி ஏதாவது இஷ்யூஸ் கன்சர்ன்ஸ் இருந்தாலும் எங்க ஸ்டோருக்கு எடுத்துட்டு
சொல்லி நம்ம எல்லாம் ரெடி பண்ணி கொடுக்குறேன்.
சரி சார். Thanks a lot sir. Thank you sir. Thank you sir. So let me walk through you how the technical specification, how we have done for a 3-way setup in Grand Vitara. So on OE system, what we have done is on the front we have done a 3-way of Alpine R2 series, and back we have used coaxial speakers of 2-way and with a 6-channel DSP and a 5-channel amplifier with a JL audio subwoofer. So the how we have done the connection over here is, from the company system we have come to the DSP, from the DSP to the amplifier, from amplifier we have gone to the front speakers, back speakers and to the subwoofer. Now let's listen to the car audio, how we have fitted into that, and listen to the music, how the output has come. So guys, let's listen to the music, how the 3-way output has come. So if you guys wanted to get a car upgraded with good quality audio, please reach out to RSCARPREMIUM.